So these types of videos are getting millions of views on social media right now. I know you also want to know how you can create these types of AI backyard restoration videos totally using free AI tools. So, without wasting any time, let's see how we can create these types of backyard restoration videos. You will find the link in the description box of this video. So you have to copy the first image prompt from here, come to Grok, and generate your first image. Once the image has been generated, now select the one that feels good enough. Then download the image, and again come to Imagine, upload your image, and copy your first video prompt from here. After that, paste it into Grok and generate your first video. Once the video has been generated, to make it better quality, you can upscale the video. After that, download the video. Once the video is downloaded, open it, play the video, go to the last frame, and take a screenshot of the last frame. Now again, go to Imagine, upload your last screenshot, and copy the second video prompt from the website and paste it into Grok. Now, generate your second video, and similarly, do the same. Download the video, take a screenshot of the last frame, upload it again into Grok, and copy the third video prompt and paste it into Grok to generate your third video. And similarly repeat the process for your fourth video as well. Now once all your videos have been generated, open any video editor, like I am using CapCut, import all your clips. After that, add them in sequence, and now your video is ready. Now here in this playlist, you will find different AI niches that are trending now.